In today's class, we will take the concept of cube and cuboid. Cuboid, look at this object. Observe it. It has length, breadth, this is breadth, you can take it as breadth, and this is height. So what do you observe here? The dimensions of length, breadth, and height are different, isn't it? So this is a shape of cuboid. Take one more example. This. Again observe it. This is length. Take it as length. This is breadth. This is breadth and this is height. This is height. So it is again a shape of cuboid because it has different length and breadth and height. Okay. So if a solid object in which it has different length, breadth and height, then it will be a cuboid like this. So, observe here, the length, breadth and the height are different. So, this is a shape of cuboid. Okay. But if it has all the length, breadth and height, if it has same length, breadth and height, if it has same, then it will take a shape of a cube. You can take the example of a dice also, which we used to do while take it while playing Ludo or snakes and ladder. In that case, the dice is in the shape of a cube where length, breadth and height are same. So, if length, breadth and height are same, then it will take a shape of a cube. So, in cube, all the faces are square in shape. Since it has length, breadth and height are same. Observe this figure. So, since it has length, breadth and height are same, so it will take a shape of a cube. As you can see it over here, we have to talk about the curved surface area and total surface area in both the cases. And here one more thing, area of four walls also we will talk about. The curved surface area of cube. In curved surface area, whether it is cube or cuboid, if we will talk about only the sideways part, if we will talk about the sideways part only, not this and this, only the sideways part, we used to call it as curved surface area or lateral surface area also. It can be lateral surface area also. Lateral surface area. Curved हम basically कब use करते हैं? When the shape is curved in. Okay, if the shape is curved, roundabout अगर है, then we used to call it as curved surface area. And here we can call it as lateral surface area. And in cube, all the sides are equal. और हम अगर आप observe करें, it is a shape of a square. One side is in the shape of a square. So square का area क्या होता है? Side square. And in curved lateral surface area or curved surface area, there are four sides. So 4 squares का area क्या हो जाएगा? 4 into side square. And same thing, lateral surface area 4 multiply side square. Next one, total surface area. If we will talk about the total surface area. Total surface area means this lateral as well as upper and lower. So how many faces are there? 4 faces these and upper and lower means 6 squares are there. So what is the area of a square? That is side square, and since it has 6 squares, so the formula will become total surface area or total surface area is 6 into side square. Is it clear? Now let's talk about the cuboid now. In cuboid, first one, curved surface area, or as I have told it, this is also lateral surface area. In cube and cuboid, use lateral surface, write the lateral surface area instead of curved surface area. Look here, it is in the shape of a cuboid. Length, breadth and height are different. So in cuboid, lateral surface area means these 4 sides. अब अगर आप देखोगे ये एक rectangular piece and this one is one more same rectangular piece and these two are of same dimension. Okay, so the lateral surface area of cuboid is 2h and in the bracket L plus B. अब ये कैसे आया देखिए, if we have to find out the surface area of this part, this rectangle, अगर हम इसे length मानते हैं and this is height, तो इसका एरिया क्या हो जाएगा? Length into height, and there are 2 of same dimension, so it will be क्या हो जाएगा? 2 length into height plus, अब हमें इसको काउंट करना है, these 2 we have to count it. इसका एरिया अगर निकालते हैं, what it should be? This is breadth. हम देखो यहाँ पे हमने इसे लेंथ माना था, so this is breadth. So breadth into height. Again there are 2 of same dimension, so it will be twice breadth into height area. Now take 2h common, 2 and h common, you will get the result. Okay, same thing. If you will see the area of a room, there are 4 walls and basically the room is in the shape of a cuboid. तो अगर हम 4 walls की बात करते हैं, so that is something like this, area of 4 walls. Since it is in the shape of a cuboid, so the area of 4 walls is same as area lateral surface area of cuboid. So this is also 2h L plus B. Okay. The next one is total surface area of cuboid. Total surface area means ये 4 sides का area plus upper area and the lower area. Upper area and the lower area. Observe here, this lower area, its area is a rectangular shape, so what it should be, देखिए ये और ये, so what it should be, length and breadth, isn't it? आपका इसका एरिया निकालना है. If you have to find out the area of this part, so it will be length and breadth, and again there are 2 shapes having same dimension, so it will be 2 length into breadth. तो अगर आप इसको, if you will add all of them, so the formula will become 2 LB plus BH plus HL. So these concepts we will use it in the exercise worksheet 3. Now let's take the exercise. Now question number 1. Question 1 is, find the length of the side of a cube whose total surface area is given as 600 centimeter square. So this is the total surface area of cube. Cube total surface area is given and we have to find out the length of the side. Means we have to find out the side. Total surface area of the cube, as we have discussed it just now, the total surface area of cube is 6 side square. So this is equals to 600. So this is equals to 600. So we will find out side square will be 600 upon 6. Cancel it. You will get it 100. Side square 100. So from here, the side equal. You can write it like this. 10 square. So from here, side equal 10 centimeter. So therefore, length of side of cube equal 10 centimeter. Is it clear? देखिए यहाँ पर आप directly also you can find out side equals square root of 100. Then also you will get it 10. Is it clear? Okay. Now question second is length of the room. Room is always in the shape of a cuboid. And if you will observe in this question, the dimensions are different. अगर dimensions different हैं, so obviously it will be a cuboid. Length of the room which is in the cuboid shape given 5, breadth 4 and the height as 3. Now the question is find the cost of whitewashing. Cost of whitewashing the inner room and the ceiling. अगर हम एक रूम को व्हाइट वॉश करवाते हैं तो कहाँ कहाँ व्हाइट वॉश होगी? एरिया ऑफ 4 वॉल्स प्लस सीलिंग. आपका फ्लोर पर व्हाइट वॉश नहीं होगा. सो first we will find out the what will be the area of 4 walls. Area of inner room means area of 4 walls and ceiling. So we will find out its area. Area of 4 walls as I have taken it just now 2h L plus B plus अगर आप सीलिंग की बात करते हैं, सीलिंग ये आपकी सीलिंग है. This is the ceiling. So ceiling is in the shape of a length into breadth. Height तो होगी नहीं ceiling के अंदर. तो area of ceiling will be length into breadth. And you have to find out the area of inner room and ceiling. So plus. So this will be the formula now. Okay. So area of 4 walls 2HL plus B. आपको वॉल्स पे व्हाइट वॉश करवाना है एंड द सीलिंग एरिया इज LB. नाउ सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू. सो इट विल कम एज 2h is given 3, 2 into 3 L plus B means 5 plus 4 plus L into B. So 5 into B. 6 into 9 plus 20. 2 into 3 6. 5 plus 4 9. So it will become plus 20. So it is coming as 74 meter square. ये आपके पास एरिया आ गया. Clear? Is it clear? Now the question is that you have to find the cost of whitewashing at the rate of rupees 50 per square meter. 1 square meter की cost है rupees 50. So what will be the cost of this square meter? ये question है. So cost of whitewashing equal what it should be? 1 मीटर स्क्वायर की कॉस्ट है 50 रुपीज. सो इतने मीटर स्क्वायर की कॉस्ट क्या होगी? 74 मल्टीप्लाई 50. अब इसको आप मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए. 3700 rupees will be the cost. Is it clear? Okay. Now, question third. In question third, question is find the total surface area of a closed cardboard box. Closed cardboard box. अगर एक box closed है, उसका area निकालना है. Means sideways area भी निकालना है and the upper and the lower part also. So a total surface area of the closed box whose length, breadth and height is given. So length is given in the meter and the remaining thing is given in the centimeter. So what we will do? We will convert meter also in centimeter by multiplying it with 100. Now the question is total surface area of closed box. So total surface area of closed box. Can you tell me what should be the area? Which formula we will use it? Cardboard box है, length, breadth, height different है, so it means obviously it is in the shape of a cuboid. And total surface area of closed box means sideways भी है, ऊपर भी है और नीचे भी area है. So what should be the formula? Formula will be, what it should be? 2LB plus BH plus HL. Now substitute the values, all the values here. L into B, 50 multiply 25 plus B into H, 25 multiply 15 plus H into L, 15 multiply this. अब इसको आप सॉल्व कर लेंगे to get the answer in centimeter square. Is it clear? That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.